Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we will be learning how to log into Pokemon Go with Facebook. So let's get started. First of all, launch open the Pokemon Go application on your smartphone and then from this welcome screen, tap on Returning Player. You will then be able to see sign-in options available on the screen. To connect or log in with Facebook, tap on Sign in with Facebook option. In the pop-up, click on Continue. You will then be taken to the Facebook's login screen. Type down your phone number or email address, followed by your Facebook account's password, and tap on Login. Now, once you're logged in, tap on Continue button at the bottom, and once authorized, the app will automatically connect your Facebook account to Pokemon Go and you'll be logged in. Enjoy playing Pokemon Go with your Facebook account. Your game progress and friends linked through Facebook will sync automatically. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'll be back in the next episode. Thank you for watching.